The traditional barrier to entry for remote work is finally crumbling. In 2026, the digital economy isn't looking for a 4-year degree. It's looking for reliability and basic digital literacy. If you have a laptop and a stable internet connection, you can start earning today. Here are 5 legitimate online jobs that require zero prior experience. First, AI data trainer. This is currently the fastest growing sector in the remote world. Artificial intelligence is smart, but it still needs humans to teach it. You'll review snippets of text, images, or audio and label them. For example, you might tell an AI if a chatbot's response was helpful, or identify objects in a photo. Look into platforms like dataannotation.tech or Remotasks. They offer immediate onboarding and pay anywhere from $15 to $25 an hour. Second, virtual assistant. Think of this as the digital backbone of small businesses. Entrepreneurs are often overwhelmed by busy work and will pay you to handle the chaos. The role involves managing emails, scheduling appointments, or basic data entry. If you are organized and can respond to messages quickly, you are already qualified. Check out Fancy Hands or Belay for consistent work. Entry-level VAs typically start at $18 an hour. Third, user tester. Companies like Amazon and Google spend millions on their websites, but they need to know if an average person can actually use them. You'll record your screen and your voice while you navigate a new app, voicing your thoughts out loud. "I can't find the checkout button" is exactly the kind of feedback they pay for. Start with usertesting.com or IntelliZoom. Most tests take 10 to 20 minutes and pay $10 each. Fourth, content moderator. With the explosion of online communities, brands need digital bouncers to keep their platforms safe. You'll review user-submitted comments and photos to ensure they follow guidelines. It's a job that requires good judgment rather than technical skill. Companies like Mod Squad or TELUS International are constantly hiring for entry-level roles. And fifth, search engine evaluator. Despite how advanced search engines are, they still make mistakes. They need humans to verify that the results are actually relevant. You're given a search term like best vegan pizza, and you rate the quality of the results. It's flexible, task-based work you can do in your spare time. Appen and TELUS International are the industry leaders here. The biggest mistake people make is waiting until they feel qualified to apply. In the remote world, the best way to get experience is to start doing the work. Pick one of these 5, sign up today, and let me know in the comments which one you're trying first. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more ways to escape the 9 to 5. I'll see you in the next one.